Welcome back to Saya Resum, where we journey through the latest tech innovations with a critical eye. Today, we'll unbox a gadget that promises to change the way you interact with your home. With the launch of the Samsung Galaxy S26 series in early 2026, Samsung didn't just introduce powerful new smartphones with refined flat-edge designs. The company also released a wide range of official protective cases, designed to match the phones perfectly. These accessories offer different materials, styles, and features, giving users plenty of options, depending on how they use their device. Today, we're taking a closer look at several official Samsung Galaxy S26 series cases, including the clear case, clear magnet case, slim magnet case, silicone magnet case, and the rugged option for maximum protection. Let's start with the clear case and clear magnet case. Right away, one thing that stands out is how much attention Samsung pays to the overall user experience. Even small details like packaging and build quality feel carefully designed. These transparent cases are made to highlight the phone's original design, while still offering protection. Both versions are relatively thin and wrap snugly around the phone's body, providing a reassuring grip without making the device feel bulky. If you bought a Galaxy S26 because you like its design, these clear cases allow you to show it off while still protecting it from scratches and everyday wear. The clear magnet case adds another useful feature: a built-in magnetic ring that works with the phone's Qi 2.0 wireless charging standard. This magnetic ring allows you to attach wireless chargers or compatible magnetic accessories quickly and securely. Another thoughtful detail is Samsung's anti-yellowing coating, applied to both clear cases. Transparent cases often turn yellow over time, but this protective layer helps maintain the original clarity of the case much longer. Next up is the slim magnet case, which is ideal for users who prefer a minimal feel. If you don't like bulky cases or thick phones, this option will probably appeal to you the most. The slim magnet case is impressively thin and fits tightly around the phone's frame, maintaining the sleek feel of the device. Even with its slim profile, the case still provides solid protection, thanks to its high-quality TPU material. This flexible plastic helps absorb impacts from small drops and reduces the risk of cracks when installing or removing the case. The magnetic ring inside the slim magnet case also feels strong and secure, so when attaching magnetic chargers or accessories, the connection feels stable and reliable. One small drawback is that lighter color options may appear slightly less vibrant because of the TPU material. However, it doesn't significantly affect the overall look once the case is on the phone. Now let's move to the silicone magnet case, which offers a completely different feel. Silicone cases are known for their soft texture and vibrant colors, and Samsung offers several attractive color options for users who want to personalize their phones. Compared to transparent or slim cases,